It's my favorite time of year. It's the holiday season. And I'm going to do twice smoked ham today. That's right. It's pre-cooked, right? But we want to add some smoke flavor to it. And I'm going to do it on this new Pit Boss Pellet Grill I got. And then to finish this ham off, we're going to finish it with a peach and ginger glaze. I can't wait. I hope you stay with me. Got a 7.4 pound pre-cooked ham, right? We're just going to add some smoke flavor to it. And how I'm going to start this thing off is we're going to score it on a diagonal, about a 1/4 inch. If you've seen some of my other ham videos, you'll see I score them. Why do you do this? Because when we put the glaze on it, it's going to let that glaze get further down in it. You have more surface area, more flavor. That's why. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. You just won't get as much of your glaze on it, right? So let me just score it all the way up. There's no reason you have to sit here and watch me do all this. What you want to do is do it in a diamond pattern. You know, it just kind of looks good, right? And I guess I'm probably doing that about 3/4 of an inch apart. Might be, you know, in some places an inch. No science to this, okay? So let me just get this guy all scored up, and then we'll be back, and I'll show you how I'm going to season it. All right, you can see we've got him all scored up here. Now, I never score this side. I guess you could if you wanted, but I just never have. I always do this, you know, outer crust. What I've got here is some duck fat. I've seen a few guys on YouTube using this. I just want to use it. I got it. I want to use it. You could use Pam. You could use Sang's oil. I'm just using it as a binder because I'm actually going to season this guy up, okay? That's the only reason. The duck fat, you know, it's great, or at least what's advertised for. When you're doing chicken, turkey, whatever, it gives you that extra crispy skin on the outside. I got it in this week. I have to have it. I don't care if I have crispy skin or not. All right? What I've got here, Meat Church Honey Hog Barbecue Rub. You don't have to use any barbecue rub. Use your own barbecue rub. You've seen many of my videos. I always talk to you about layering flavors. That's what I like to do. You don't want to do this. Sorry. Just don't do it. So, I'm just going to season up the outside. You can see here, nice light coating. And we'll come back and we'll move over to that pellet grill, that Pit Boss Pellet Grill. I've got this Pit Boss Pellet Grill today, set at 225. I'm going to cook it a little lower temperature because I want to put a little extra smoke on this ham. I got the hopper loaded up here with cherry pellets. Cherry is a perfect choice for ham if you don't know what to use. Obviously, you can use maple, pecan, apple. I love cherry when I'm smoking a ham. All right, so we're just going to get this guy open. Get our ham on here. And I'm going to put this probe in here. We're going to cook this ham today, if I can find a probe. We're going to cook it up to around 140. I mean, we want to finish it at 145, right? But I'm going to put a glaze on it. So I'm going to cook it up to about 140, 138. At which point we'll start glazing it. So we're at the Amelia Island Shrimp Festival this year. And we run into Thaddeus and Erica with Doc and Artie's Sauce Company. I got to tell you, it was great meeting them. They got this tangy ginger peach glaze, and they had a bunch of other seasoning and sauces, and they gave me one of these to give away. I'm going to give one of these away today. We bought several of their sauces. Their grandparents, can you see this label? Their grandparents, Erica's grandparents, started the company a long time ago. They worked for some other people and created all these sauces. It was just so fascinating talking to them. So we're going to use this as our glaze today. And for those of you that don't want to buy it, you don't have to. Look in the description box below. I'm going to put 2 links to ginger and peach sauces. You can make your own if you want. So if you want a chance to win this Doc and Artie's ginger and peach sauce, 2 simple steps. You need to be a subscriber and leave a comment below. We'll have one of those random comment pickers pick a comment. And I'm going to ship you out one of these. I'm going to pay the shipping. We're going to give you the sauce. U.S. people only. It's been 2 hours, 20 minutes. Our ham is up to 130. We're going to start this first layer of glaze. Oh, yeah, she's looking nice. And this Doc and Artie's peach glaze, it's quite thin, which is just perfect for this ham, right? You don't want something real thick like a barbecue sauce. Or I should say like some barbecue sauces. Just get us a nice little thin layer of glaze on here. Once I get it all painted up on all 4 sides, I'm going to shut this lid and we're going to let it keep smoking until it gets up to about, like I said before, 140, 145. Been almost 3 hours. We're at 165. It's getting dark, as you can see. Look who's here. She doesn't even like ham. She's going to try the ham.
Yeah, I'm going to
How
try
can
it.
you not like ham?
It's spongy.
Spongy. All right, I don't even have a fork, right? We're trying to get this in before it gets dark. Look at this ham. It's a beautiful color. I'm going to slice off a piece. Ooh, look at that. We're going to taste it. It's getting dark like really quick. Have you noticed that?
It is, yeah.
Okay. Here's our ham. Smells great.
It does smell good.
Yeah. Okay. That's what she looks like down close. And this, I don't like ham. Here's a small bite for you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. She don't like ham. First of all, the ham itself is delicious. The smoke flavor spot on. Definitely not too strong, but you definitely get the smoke. I get sweetness from the peach in the ginger peach glaze. It's an excellent sauce. I like to try this sauce on ribs. I don't get a lot of ginger, but just not in the ham. Okay. You have a horrible look on your face.
No, it's not spongy. I actually like it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Then why are you making that face?
I'm not making a bad face.
Look at the outside. The outside is just beautiful. I hope you can see that. Just beautiful.
It's really actually good. It's not spongy at all. Ham's normally spongy.
I never make spongy ham. That bite, I got some ginger also. That bite's delicious. You want a bite, Sadie? Okay. I'm really digging this pellet grill. Easy to use. What?
It's actually good.
Of course it's good. I made it. Did you hear what she said? It's actually good.
I don't usually like ham.
3 hours.
Usually it has like that spongy kind of taste to it. I don't like it.
No.
It's got a weird consistency.
Not good ham. This is a good ham.
Okay. So.
You're eating more?
Yeah, I am. I like it.
Okay. Hey, guys. Hope you have an extremely Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. That's right. We say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I like it.
If you're not a subscriber, I hope you hit the subscribe button. In fact, if you want to win this sauce, you got to be a subscriber.
Is that why I like it? It's the sauce?
I think you like it because I'm such a good ham maker.
Oh. I really do like it. It's really good.
I don't even remember where I was, but if you're not a subscriber, I hope you subscribe. I hope you hit the bell. You'll be notified of all of our new videos. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays to everyone.